Welcome back to another video. This session I'm joined by my client Luke. We're fishing Witches Point, evening session. Tide's just turned. Hopefully we can make it across the beach in time to climb up on the point. Yeah, we fished here 2 nights ago and we had 36 rays, a mixture of blonde, spotted, thornback and small-eyed rays. And then my mate Steve Owls was out down not far from here last night and had a shed load of rays. And my other mate Dave was on the point last night and he had about 30 rays, so things are looking up. Hopefully the fish are still feeding and hopefully help Luke get a few fish out. But, I think this tide is too far in for us. I think might have to end up walking over the cliff or back to Tack Hill and back down the other side. We'll soon see now, unless we can get up the rock. Right, see you on a mark. Right, we've just made it with minutes to spare along the coral and then up on the point. Let's get up there, mate. Right, just got onto the point now with Luke. Got bit of rain in the air. It's wasn't forecast. To start off, nice long pulley rig, some Southwest Sea Bait sand eel. Cheers Wibbly sorted me out. Some nice squid. 8-foot pulley rig, Booker's Rigs pulley rig. Cheers from knocking me a few up, mate, because I haven't had time. I've been too busy tope fishing. So, but you're going to start off with a single eel. It's when we fished here the other night. It was fisher cast. Brilliant fishing, and we were only using small baits. Literally just a single eel. About of a 4-0 circle. Just like that. Bit of the Anova green cotton, the medium. Hopefully Luke can get his first ever spotted ray tonight. He's been fishing quite well, so hopefully we can get into a few fish. Didn't have time to film the other day. The lads were just pulling them out one after another before we left to go tope fishing. Which, one of the lads who were with me had a 35-pound tope, which he was well happy with. And the other lad had a grand slam of rays in 3 hours. Well, a Welsh slam, small-eyed, spotted, thorny and blonde, which was good to see. So literally, yeah, just a single sand eel, a dongle, 7-ounce lead. I've got my new reels to use today. I treated myself to a pair of Fathom 15s so I can keep all my BG30s for my tope fishing. Yeah, and my Tournament Match Pro Mark ones. Let's see how we get on with the old Fathom. Just put my first rod out now. Well happy with the new reels. Saves me using my BGs when I can keep them for West Wales now for the tope. Yeah, tidy. They just don't hold enough line for tope fishing really, so that's why I don't use a Fathom. So I bought them just for my ray fishing. So yeah, tidy reel. Right, rig I'm trying out today, one of Booker's 2-hook clip down dongle rigs. There's a little 12 out of a circle hook on it. Just small sand eel baits, same as we were using the other night, working well. We're about 2 hours into the flood now, so hopefully the fish will start to come on the feed soon. Yeah, so we're going to change the baits over now, freshen them up, and hopefully fish on. Right, we just had a bite on the right rod, just pulling over in the tide. There he is. Gonna let the ray hook itself because we got a circle hook on. I think he's on there, Luke. Get into him, mate. Just tighten the drag up, mate. Go on, mate. Walk down here over the front. We're going to take this down now. Hopefully Luke gets his first ray of the session. I lift keep the rod up in the air, mate. Just keep winding nice and steady, yeah. There we go. He's on. Lucky enough, we've missed the rain so far. There we go. First ray of the session. Target number 1 for Luke, complete. Hook in the lip, the circle. Lovely spotted ray. See that on there, Luke? Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Well, we're going to get some pictures now of Luke with his fish and get him back. Well done, mate. Right, Luke's target achieved, first cast. Lovely spotted ray, mate. Cracker. Right, now for a small eyed, thorny or a blonde, either one. Look at the eyes on that. Stunning. Nice one, mate. Well happy with the reels. I get 2 more. Right, Luke's using my Creed to go with his fixed spool rod. He's just had another pull over. Hopefully, this is his small-eyed ray. Lovely evening for it. Slight breeze. Oh, he's in again. Well, keep walking to your right, Luke. Keep going, mate. Reel as you walk, yeah? So there we go. I'm going to plonk the camera by you. Any weight there? Yeah. As I keep reeling, then he'll come to the surface now. There we go. Right, Luke had his target first cast, which was a female spotty, and now had a cast. Let's get the hook out. Now got the male spotty. So male and female. Now we need to get you a small-eyed ray. I put him on there like a gun. There we go, look. Can we get your fish, mate? There we go. Now we get some. Luke with his second spotted ray. Nice male. Well done, buddy. Right, go down, put him back, mate. Just be careful. Well done, buddy. Watch those spikes as well. Bring him back up here. We'll show the lads. See on all the male fish, most of the male rays, they've all got the spikes. Drop it down a bit, mate. Bring it towards the camera. See all the up a bit. See all the spikes on the outside of the wing. Yeah, well done, mate. Get him back. Just had a nice pull over on my left rod. Hopefully a ray. Can't let Luke have all the fun. He's had 2 spotted rays so far, male and female. So hopefully I can get myself one. Yeah. My first fish of the session. That's our 3rd spotted ray. On the dongle again. Nicely hooked in the lip. There we go. Another male fish. There's 2 males, 1 female. Yeah. Nearly cut me then with his spikes. Just as I'm sorting my fish out, Luke's rod bends over and he's straight into another fish. Feel like a ray, mate? Quite heavy, yeah? Can you believe it? It's only another spotted ray. Another male. Yeah. Spotted ray number 4. We're hooked on the dongle again. Nice fish. Right, now get pictures of the both of them and get them back. Well done, mate. I got another bite. Nice little pull over. We just landed a spotted ray each again. So, oh, she's going over. Well, hopefully it'll be a small-eyed or a different ray, because we've had 4 spotties. Oh yeah. Look at that, lads. Look, there's 2 up clipped down dongle. 2 rays. We'll have to go down and get them now.
Without the rod?
So I've hooked 2 rays on 1 rig. And yeah, we'll go down and get them. Bring them up, see what we got. 6 rays so far. Booker did say when you're trying the rig out, get a bite, leave it out there. You could get 2 on. So yeah, 2 rays, 1 rig. Ray number 6. Well done. Nice of me. I haven't got a rod in the water, so lovely evening for it. We've missed all the rain by chance. It's just been peeing down with rain everywhere around us. So happy days, let's get it back out there. Boom. Well, just casting my 2 rods back out, and Luke's back in again. He's on fire. Calling Spotty again, are you, mate?
No fight, just heavy.
Maybe a dogfish, the dreaded doggy.
Oh, it is.
What is it?
Oh, it's a ray.
Oh, it's a ray.
I thought it was a doggy then.
Right, let me put this down here. Somehow. Keep him there. Well, Luke only came here for 1 spotted ray, and now we've had 5 of them, with 2 small hides, another male, there we go, cracker, well done mate.
Thank you.
Woof, right, we need to bait some more rigs up,
Hey, look at this.
stick on top of the gear. What?
That's fucking got my mouth.
Oh, he got you, he bit you, did he?
Yeah, he's got
Luke's got bit.
Is he going to the pool?
Yeah, chuck him in and we'll get some pictures, we'll get him back now. We haven't had time to bait up. This could be ray number 8 on my left rod. So I'm going to go and get it in again. Must be littered with male spotties out there at the moment. Not complaining because we haven't had 1 dogfish. Indeed. Well, it's been manic on the rays. So we chucked them in a pool for literally 5 minutes as the rods are going off. And we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these rays. We've already put 2 back. We've had 6 spotted, 2 small hides. Go on, mate, just put them in there. Be careful, yeah? Look at that sunset. There he goes, come on. Come on, off you go. Come on. Gonna go or what? Oh, he's going. There he goes. He's gone. Into the sunset. Happy days. Stunning evening. Fish are feeding. Luke's happy. We're hauling. We're going to try and keep the baits going out there, but it's hard work. We'll probably have to go down to 1 rod. Look at that sunset. Luke into another bite. I think he's going to be into another fish now. Look at that. Any weight there, mate?
Yeah.
Happy days. Hopefully you're small-eyed, mate. And not another spotted. Fingers crossed it's a small-eyed for him.
No fight.
Second target achieved for my client Luke. He's now had, how many spotted you had? No, 5? 4. He's had 4 spotties and he's had 1 small-eyed. Again, perfectly. Not the biggest, but sets him on his way to his slam for the year. Just need your blonde ray now, mate. Yeah, happy days. Right, this is Manic Fishing. Just put his small eye back, come up the rocks, and his other rod's bent over. We're trolling. We are trolling. So Luke's trolling. He's now had how many spotted?
4.
4 spotted, 2 small eyes, and I've had 2 small eyes, 2 spotted, and I got 2 fish on the other rods. So, do you want to get a picture of it, or shall I put him back? Put him straight back?
Yeah.
It's been a good busy session so far. I got a bite now on the right hand side rod. Hooking all the rays in the lip with a circle hook. I don't mind leaving the bite develop. They've all come in the side of the mouth, so gives me time to bait up a few rigs. I'm not being too fussy with the bait presentation. There's that many fish out there, I don't think they're bothered by it. So not even snipping the tail or the head off. Literally just adding a sand eel straight back onto what was left from the previous cast. So yeah. Nice evening to be out. We're going to fish till high water and then call it a day. And then I've got a few days off. I'm back out tuck fishing next week. So yeah, nice bit of family time. There we go. 7-ounce lead, dongle, 4-foot pulley, 8-foot total length. And that, let's get another fish in then, shall we? Fish on again. Ray number 11, another small eyed.
Yeah, rod.
Oh, the other rod's going. Whew. This is tiring but fun. Probably about 4 or 5 pound. Nothing big yet, but they all count. Get into it then, mate. So Luke's back into another fish. Walk down, mate. I've only just unhooked my fish and Luke's straight back in. Guess who's into a fish again? Luke's in. Take you down to see him now. Luke the trawler. And that's another spotted ray. Lovely markings on it. Oh, do you want to pick him up and unhook him, mate? Well done, man. So many rays, so many fish. Brilliant session. And we still got a couple of hours left. Probably about half hour left of light. There you go, spin him round, mate. Luke the trawler. What's that, ray 14 now in here? Something like that? Oh, I lost count. We stopped counting now. Yeah, turn him round. Look at that. Lovely markings. Well done, mate. We're on 16 rays now. It's been a great session. The light's fading. I'm going to try and film as best I can in the dark for 1 or 2 fish. But Luke's enjoyed it so far. He's emptied the channel of spotted rays. And now he's had a few small lights. Yeah, if you are going to fish this venue, always check the swell forecast on Magic Seaweed is people have drowned off here. The swells come up over the top. If you've had a storm, it doesn't necessarily have to be windy either. There's a big ground swell out in the Atlantic, pushes up a channel, and swells on here could be 20-30 foot high and come out straight over the top. So yeah, check the swell forecast. But yeah, it's great fishing on its day here. You can catch literally anything here. It's thrown up. I know one of my mates has had a 29-pound conger here. We've had cod here. Most of the ray species. You get some nice bass and rockling over the edge. We fish close in. We fish the left-hand side of the point on the flood. As soon as the tide turns, you have to fish on the right-hand side of the reef. The reef runs off on, say, like a 2 o'clock direction, facing out to sea. So you need to cast on the right of the reef, facing out more where the lights are, and the deeps. You need to cast that way when the tide's on the ebb, or on the way out. That's how you know. But yeah, we're going to do a bit more filming in the dark now. We've already got an hour and a half left of fishing. As it's got darker, it's got a lot warmer, so you have to take the hoodie off. Hopefully some more fish come on the feed now. I don't know how I'm going to film this. I don't know what it's going to come out like, but I have got a big slack line. Slack liner, bang, 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 slack liner. All the fish up in the lip. Hook's coming out easy enough. Not swallowing the hooks or anything, so happy days. I'll just get my fish in. And Luke, I think, is into another one down there. You got one on, Luke? Huh? This is madness. Every rod got a ray on. So I have to put those rods away now. Fish one rod. What is it, mate? Be careful, yeah? Do you want a hand? What you got there, mate? Oh, cracker. What's that? Small line, eh?
Yeah.
Right, Luke is up there. His other line's slack. The trawler's off again. He's just put a small line on the bank. We've got another spotted ray. And that's 3 more rays. Big. Well done, man. Tell you what, this is carnage. Brilliant though, it's good, isn't it? Yep. Have you got a calculator so we can add all these fish up? Go on, mate. Grab him. There you go, show him up. Another spotty. Well done, mate, hold him up. Hey! Well done, mate.
Thank you.
In Luke's words, the best session ever. Well done, mate. You're just hauling them out. We're over 20 odd rays now. I'm going to get some pictures, get them back. It's a bit hard filming in the dark, so this might be it for the filming, but if we maybe get some more fish in now, get them back, pictures, try and do a bit of filming later. We'll be back. Nice one. Well done, Luke. Come on. I use my stand for a bit of help. A bit of bend in that. It's on the surface, I can hear it. There we go. Woo. There, dudes. Been a brilliant session. Another male fish, this time a decent small-eyed ray. My biggest ray of the night, probably. There we go. What you got on here? And
got a good view.
Come here, will you? Both male fish, spotted ray, small-eyed ray. A couple more, I think we'll be about 30 rays in then. I think you've got fish on yours as well. See them alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Happy days. Brilliant session, was it, Luke? Filming's been quite hard in the dark. Ray after ray. Luke's down there landing another one. Can't keep the rods in the water, so I apologise for the footage. Doing it the best I can, but I can't video every ray. Not when I just can. It's not fair on the fish, so we're just unhooking them and putting them back after a quick picture. So, well done, Luke. What is it, mate? Another small-eyed ray for Luke. I can't believe we've had more spotted rays than we have small-eyed this evening. It's quite mad. Yeah. This is nuts. In a good way. Luke into another fish. Bring him up, Luke. Tide's picking up now. We've probably got about half hour, 40 minutes till high water. It has been non-stop fishing. So, which is good. Luke's never experienced anything like this. And now I'll open his eyes to what fishing can be like on red letter days. See if he gets this fishing, no? You see Luke's spotted ray, another male. Cracking colours on that, isn't it?
Got some nice spots on it, hasn't he?
Yeah. So, like in Luke's words, he's never experienced ray fishing like this, so it opens his eyes up to what fish can be like on a red letter day. Crazy fishing. We've still got another half hour left, so we're going to get a few more. Well, get some nice pictures of that, because the colours on that are lovely. You know what I mean? We've had a few more rays now, small-eyed, spotted, still no thorny or blonde. But I have kept the second rod out, put a whole squid on it. They seem to be leaving the squid alone a bit longer. Put sand eel out there, they're on it straight away. Hopefully a smooth down comes along now, takes the whole squid. I've never seen so many spotted rays like this. This is just madness. Luke's enjoying it though. So we're going to give it another half hour and then we'll pack up and get out of here. I'm tired now. I've been out most of the week trout fishing with the lads. Yeah, nice weekend off with the missus and kids. Bites on both rods again. This is madness. Right, we're on our last cast now. Tide's just turned, so we've switched sides to have a cast towards Ogmore Deeps, because you can't hold bottom back out where we were casting on a flood, because the tide's hammering to the right. We don't want to get caught on the reef, so we're having one cast each towards the deeps. Hopefully we can get one more ray to finish. But it's been a good session. We probably had between 30 and 40 rays. It's been mad at times. We've had more spotted rays than small-eyed rays, which is usually the other way round. Which is yeah, it's been an enjoyable session. Luke's got his target, small-eyed spotty. Get him back out now, September, October, and hopefully get him a blonde ray. Complete his slam. Yeah, pretty light on there, I mean. Just a little look. You know that one? yeah, you can probably fish another 3 or 4 hours here. As soon as that tide eases off the front, you can carry on fishing, and then the fish come back on the feed. So yeah, this is it from us. Been a good session, enjoyed it. Hopefully get back out soon, a bit more filming, hopefully get a tope session or a trip down to the south coast and do a bit of filming down here, something different. Yeah, cheers.